ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-20 गुणानेतान् अतीत्यत्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीत्यत्रीन् देहि देहसमुद्भवान्। पदच्छेदे गुणान् एतान् अतीत्य त्रीन् देहि देहसमुद्भवान्। जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैर्विमुक्तो मृतमश्नुते। पदच्छेदे जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तः अमृतम् अश्नुते. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. देहि देहसमुद्भवान् एतान् तीन् गुणान् अतीत्य जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तः अमृतम् अश्नुते. Because Atitya in 1a is a levantam, it is Saman Kartruka with Ashnute in 1c. The phrase 1b, Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkhaihi Vimuktaha, is adjectival of Dehi and is in turn subjectival for 1a and 1c also. Anveshah Shabdabhyasa. देह समुद्भवान एतान त्रीन गुणान अतीत्य. देह समुद्भवान, देह समुद्भव विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. देहेन सह उद्भवः येषां ते देह समुद्भवाः. बहुव्रीहि. देहेन, देह बॉडी, पुल्लिंगम तृतीया एकवचनम. समुद्भवः, सह उद्भवः इनहेरिटेंट. समुद्भवः ओरिजिन, प्रोडक्शन. अनुजीवी स्वजातिभ्यो गुणेभ्यश्च समुद्भवः. एतान्, एतत् सर्वनाम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. त्रीन्, त्रि, थ्री संख्या विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. गुणान्, गुण क्वालिटी, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. अतीत्य, अति, अति प्लस ई धातोः लेबन्तम्. अति, अति ई द्वितीय गण यहाँ परस्मैपदी. टू गो बियॉन्ड, पास ऑन, ओवर और बियॉन्ड, क्रॉस टाइम और स्पेस. टू एंटर, स्टेप ओवर. Yes, I have highlighted transgress. Progress, even beyond progress, transgress. And Atyeti Sarvamidam 14-20 has been referred to. Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkhai Vimuktaha. Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkhai. Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkha. Napusakalingam Trutiya Bahuvajanam. जन्म च मृत्यु च जरा च दुःखानि च. जन्म मृत्यु जरा दुःखानि इतरेतर द्वंद्व. जन्म जन्मन बर्थ नपुंसकलिंगम. मृत्यु डेथ पुल्लिंगम. जरा विदरिंग स्त्रीलिंगम. दुःखानि दुःख ग्रीफ नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. विमुक्तः, विमुक्च धातोः क्त विशेषणम विमुक्त. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. विमुच षष्ठगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू फ्री, लिबरेट, टू लूजन, टू अनबाइंड, अनफासन, अनटाई. टू गिव अप, lay aside, abandon. To set aside, set apart. Take off. देहि अमृतम अश्नुते. देहि, देहिन विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. देहिन एडजेक्टिव. देहिनी फेमिनिन. देह इनि incarnate, embodied, masculine, a living being, especially a man. Tadhinam khalu dehinam sukham. Amrutam, amruta, immortality. नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचन। अश्नुते अश् धातोः स्वादेः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। अश् अश्नुं अशूं व्याप्तौ संघाते च टू परवेड टू हीप टू पाइल अप। स्वादिः पंचमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी सकर्मकः वेट। Here Ashnute is Atmane. So looks to be the form of Ash Ashun, but the meaning of Panchamaganiya Swadihi Ash Dhatu is Vyaptau Sanghate, to pervade, to heap, to pile up. Whereas Ash Ashang Bhojane, to eat, to consume, Kriyadi Navaganiya Parasmepadi. The appropriate meaning is of the Navamagniya, but the form is Atmanepadi, which is of the Panchamaganiya. So, quite some play around with the grammatics of Ash Dhatu. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Dehasamudbhavan etan trin gunan atitya. Having transcended these three qualities which are inherent of having a body. Janma mrityu dvara dukkaihi vimuktaha. Becoming free from birth, death, old age and sorrows. Dehi amrutam ashnute. The embodied one attains, experiences immortality. Chando Visheshana. Gunan etan atitya trin ashtakshani. Natitya. Natitya trin. Because of three, tya also gets two matras. So etesham matraha eka dve dve. Dehi deha samudbhavan ashtakshani. Samudbha etesham matraha eka dve eka. Janma mrityu jara dukkhair ashtakshani. Jara duh etesham matraha eka dve eka. Eka dve dve. Then vimuktom mritam ashnute ashtakshani. Tam ashnu etesham matraha eka dve eka. Asmin चतुर्दशाध्याये विंशति श्लोके अनुष्टुप छंदः विंशतितमे श्लोके स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. The word dehi, dehin, having a body, embodied, visheshana, atra pullingam prathama ekvachana, is derived from dhatuh dih, dihang upachaye, to compile. Adadihi, dvitiya ganiya ubhayapadi, akarmakaha anit. What is compiled, upachitam in a body, what is embodied, gets dimensions, becomes by default a three-dimensional entity, obtains deha samudbhavan trin gunan. Is it not an interesting match between three dimensions of an entity and deha samudbhavaha trayaha gunaha, as if the three dimensions are trayaha gunaha? The phrase deha samudbhavan etan trin gunan atitya has in it a statement traya gunaha deha samudbhavaha, means that all embodiment has qualitativeness inherent. This has been said earlier also. Sahayajna praja sruštva purvavacha prajapati anena prasavishyodhvam eshavo svishtakamadu. The task for spiritual pursuit is to transcend qualitativeness. As brought out in Vakyamsha Visheshana, there are the two advocacies, Trin Gunan Atitya and Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkaihi Vimuktaha, which result in Amrutam Ashnute. From the tabulation composed for comparative study of the three qualities, Sattvam, Rajaha and Tamaha, it comes out that to cultivate Sattvam is good. But here the advocacy Trin Gunan Atitya includes transcending Sattvam also. Why? Because Sattvam also binds, Badhnati, even if Sukha Sangena, Jnana Sangena, Shloka 6. Any binding is an impediment to Mukti. The phrase Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkaihi Vimuktah, meaning he is forsaken, he is let go by Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkaihi, is interesting from literary perspective. Practically, it is the person striving spiritual pursuit who has to train his mind to be not affected by Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkha, not the other way. He is not to be forsaken or let go by Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkha. One may ask, is not Mrityu Vimuktaha same as Amrutam Ashnuti? Basically, does Amrutam mean immortality? See, Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityur dhruvam janma mritasya cha tasmad apariharyerthe natvam shochitum arhasi. Since death is certain for the born and rebirth is certain for the dead, therefore you should not feel grief for what is inevitable. To be free, vimuktaha, of the worry, shochitum, or fear of mrityu is amrutam. The way to become janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi vimuktaha is tringunanatitya. One may cultivate oneself to both transcend tringunaha and be janma mrityu jara dukkhahi vimuktaha simultaneously. This study is complete with Padachchedaha, Vakyamshasha Visheshan, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam, Anvayarthaha, and notes of self. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.